What up, Hyperchange? Welcome to another episode of Investing 101. Today I'm going to share a little bit of my investing in stock market philosophy. The first thing I look at in a company or investment is not whether this is going to make me money, not how much money it's going to make me, but is this company building a product or service that I think makes the world better? Are they creating a future, if this is successful, that I want to live in? So invest in the future you believe in. This is like my biggest mantra, and it's something that I personally live by, and I feel like is so lacking in the entire financial system and causing so many problems across the world. This is the reason why I went to business school, studied finance, while all my peers were going to work for investment banks. I just didn't want to do it because I saw, you're literally like morally, you have no morals. Like, you're raising capital and building spreadsheets for businesses to make money. The only reason is to get profit, the most profit possible. Whether that means you're raising money to go drill an oil field in a third world country, totally exploit the resources of that country, pollute the planet, maybe cause a spill or two, who cares as long as we're making money? I think this is the philosophy that is frankly causing a huge amount of problems in the world. That's why I think it's so important that before you invest in a company, you actually think about what you're investing in and the future that they're building. That's why I'm so passionate about Tesla and think of them as my biggest investment, because yes, I think the financial case is there. I think there's a huge case to make a lot of money in that company, but they're also building a future I believe in. Every time you buy a Tesla product, that is like a torpedo to the fossil fuel industry. Not only you're taking an electric car or an internal combustion engine car off the road, putting in an electric car, but you are subsidizing more R&D that Tesla's going to put into cutting edge battery technology, to making solar panels more efficient, to making batteries last longer. That is all going to help our transition off of fossil fuels. And so that's why I think it's so important to think through this for every company you're looking at. This is why, I would never invest in all these legacy auto companies who literally poured millions of dollars into creating software to cheat emissions tests to pollute more so they could sell more cars and not transition to a sustainable future. I mean, that's not a company who I want to, they're not building a future I want to live in, not at all. And so I just think, the point of this episode is, I think whether you fully agree with it or not, most people probably won't, I think it's so important to think about the consequences of what you're investing in, think it through, invest in the future you believe in, because especially if you're young and my age, you're going to have to live through it, and you're going to have to be proud of the investments you made. And so that's why the first rule, whenever I look at a company or investment or product or service, is am I putting my capital towards a future I believe in? Anyway, leaving you with that. Would love to know what you think in the comments below. This is Hyperchange. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, producers, funding the channel. See you guys next time. Peace.